But Christians, being intelligent people, are not oblivious to this problem. They have developed various theological explanations to try and reconcile this fundamental injustice. However, as we'll see, these explanations often raise more questions than they answer and reveal a God far less just or loving than they claim. Faced with the undeniable reality of billions of unreached individuals, Christian theologians have historically struggled to reconcile the explicit biblical declarations of Jesus as the only way with the concept of a just and loving God. They walk a theological tightrope, attempting to explain how these two seemingly contradictory ideas can coexist. Let's examine some of the most common attempts. The first excuse provided is the general revelation argument, or otherwise known as natural theology. This argument posits that God has revealed himself to all people, everywhere, through creation and through their own conscience, even if they've never heard of Jesus. Therefore, no one is truly unreached or without excuse. Romans 1 verse 20 is the cornerstone of this argument. For since the creation of the world, God's indivisible qualities, his eternal power and divine nature, have been clearly seen, being understood from what has been made, so that people are without excuse. The idea is that the natural world itself testifies to a creator, and thus everyone has a basic, inherent knowledge of God. Further, Romans 2, verses 14 and 15 speaks of the law written on their hearts for Gentiles who do not have the Mosaic law. Indeed, when Gentiles, who do not have the law, do by nature things required by the law, they show that the requirements of the law are written on their hearts, their consciences also bearing witness, and their thoughts sometimes accusing, at other times even defending them. This suggests an innate moral compass that points to God's standards.